Invideo, review, and coupon codes. So if you want to have an overview about the Invideo, then this video is for you. Invideo is an online video editing platform designed for beginners and professionals. It offers pre-made templates, AI-powered tools, and a simple drag and drop interface. You can go with Try Invideo AI or Invideo Studio and start editing your videos or images. It's easy to use with thousands of templates. It has AI tools for script to video and text to video, and it is cloud based, so no heavy software is needed. And it has affordable pricing compared to advanced editors. So if you want the coupon codes for it, then you can go with a new tab, and here you can search for Invideo coupon code. After searching for Invideo coupon code, now you can just simply scroll down and then right click on the link, go with open link in a new tab. In the same way, you can go with the other links also and open in a new tab. And after that, you need to just click on the links that you've just opened. And here you will have a show coupon code option. You just need to simply go with that and you will be able to copy the coupon code and you can redeem at Invideo. In the same way, you can go with the other websites and here you will have get code option. You can go and open the code and apply the code. So that's how you can get the coupon codes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.